to Encash Check in Landbank. Requirements: bring at least 2 valid photo-bearing IDs. Please check the link in the description for the list of official identification documents. Please take note of the following. 1. Valid shall mean not expire at the time of submission or presentation. 2. The bank reserves right to secure additional ID or documents if needed for further due diligence. Step 1. Prepare your valid IDs. Step 2. Have the checks filled at the back with the following data: signature over printed name, complete present address, contact number, ID number. Step 3. Proceed to the teller once called and present the check for encashment with complete details and the corresponding ID. Then the teller will ask you to sign the check. Step 4. Receive and count the cash before leaving. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.